Good day, YouTube. This is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile. Today I'm actually coming to you with another install. It'll be my third install on the Honda Goldwing here. This is actually the from Twinart. It is an engine guard cover, and they actually go right here on the engine guards. You don't have to remove the engine guards, it's just adhesive, so it's going to be a quick clean it up with some rubbing alcohol, end up putting some of the primer on it that it comes with, and then taking the stuff off the back of the 3M tape and just sticking it to the existing guard cover. So it's going to be fairly easy, quick install. That's what we're looking at today. So with that being said, I'll have this in the link. I'll have a link to this in the description below if you're interested in actually getting it, and the price and everything will be in there as well. You could click on that after this video and it'll take you to the website where you can order these. So I'll check back in just a minute. All right, I'm gonna unbox this stuff now. So I got the items here. Basically, one does say LH, which is left side, and one is RH for right side. So this is going to go to the other side. I'll go ahead and slide that over there. I'll take this on out. You see, here it is with the 3M tape. So it looks like the contact points are going to be on the top here and two spots on the bottom here. Actually, this whole bottom, never mind, and two spots on the top. So it does come with rubbing alcohol wipes. So you should be able, as long as it's not dried out, which it's not, I'm able to clean the surface area of where the adhesion is going to be. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you are not required to remove this at all. This simply sticks over the top of it. Make sure you clean it thoroughly. And once it dries, you'll be able to... Now this kit did not come with this adhesion primer, but I've got some left over from the other two installs, so I'm going to use that to actually touch this up to ensure that it can make good contact with the 3M stuff. Now that it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and take this adhesion primer and I'm going to wipe the area where the adhesion is going to be, and then the two spots up there. Try to conserve as much of this as I can. Put it back in here. So at this point, you would just peel the 3M tape, the red off the 3M tape. Both top and bottom. It'd be easier if I had an X-Acto knife. I'd be able to get up in there and peel it off without any issues. There we go, there's that. And one more. Okay, this stuff likes to hold on, doesn't like to let loose. I can get a good grip on it there. Alright, there we go. Coming off now. So at this point, I would gently place it over. Oh, I don't want it to adhere yet. Place it where it needs to go. And try to push it into place. Stuff is very, very tacky. Alright, let's move to the other side. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and install side 2 on the right side of the bike. Trying to see, I guess that gap that was on the other side's normal. I should have dry fit it before. It's just a little tiny gap at the top that I'm not really liking aesthetically, but it's not noticeable from a distance. To get that out. It's not noticeable from a distance, so it should be okay. At this point, the other alcohol swab that they have provided, I will clean the point of contact on this side, which is 2 spots there, and then almost the entirety of the bottom here is where it adheres to. And then got the primer adhesion promoter. About used this one up so far. Try to add that to it there, a little bit here. And I think I'm gonna have to retire this after this use. Okay. At this point, you just go ahead and remove the 3M red tape cover off the 3M tape. That's there. Move it here. There's that there. And then last but not least, the bottom one here. Oops. I don't want to pull it too hard. There we go. It's coming off just like so. Then you place it in place gently. There we go. Grab a cotton ball here so I could put pressure down on it without scratching it where it needs to go. By doing this, you don't leave fingerprints on it. You could probably use a microfiber, but make sure that it's a delicate microfiber, because I have seen microfibers actually scratch stuff. But that's why I'm using cotton balls to press down where the contact points are and put this in place. And there you have it. There's the right side. So that completes this install. Alright, well this concludes the install of the engine guard covers at this time. If you're interested in actually getting some of these, I'll have a link in the description below. You can check out the reviews on it, and the price will be there as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer any questions. Usually respond within 24 to 48 hours of any comments that I'm left. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click that bell so that you'll be notified of videos that I post in the future. Also, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. It'll help the algorithm here on YouTube and put my videos out there for other people to see. Also, like I said, drop a comment in the comment section below. Next week I'll be having another install, so tune in next week and we'll have another install on the Goldwing here, and I will see you then. So for now, this is Josh with Adventures of Acrophile signing out. Y'all be safe. Peace.